What's up, guys? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. The player from Poppy Playtime. Never drawn this, so it's not as easy as you would think. I know it looks simple, but like there's lots of like cylinder sort of shapes. Like things are smooth in some parts. You know, it's sometimes like smooth things are trickier. But we'll take our time and we'll do our best. So we'll start with the head, basically up here on the top, right? And yeah, we just go for this circle. It's kind of flat around the neck, so we'll start here and we'll go as circular as we can get it. Of course, if you want to use a compass or a stencil or anything, feel free to do that. Right, so just like that, and then the neck comes down, so it's kind of like flat across here. Comes down there, right? So the hands sort of come out this way. We're not looking at them front wise. So we got to break it down into different sections. So the bottom of his neck goes around there, and then the front of the chest goes that way. So everything's kind of like a box, you know. So it's got like a top box line there. And then there is a strap. It comes over the shoulder. Right, and then we have the arm. So it's like circular cylinder, and it just goes this way. Go across here. So it kind of gets thinner as it goes. And then where it disappears behind his hand, we have like a circle sort of shape. It's got two sort of lines in there. So we'll kind of join, there is details and stuff in all that, but we'll get the main shapes first. It joins up to his shoulder here. Just another cylinder kind of shape. There's another line here just off his body, I think, just for his back or something. And then there is a pipe. So that kind of runs down here and into a thing at the back. So it's just like a windy sort of pipe here. And there's like a circle thing at the back here, like some sort of control mechanism maybe. Like a back there. Right, so like this arm seems to come down to another arm. Like so there's like two arms or something. So it goes this way, like underneath this arm. And I think it comes, there's like another part to this. It's like a circle end kind of, and then this comes down there. So like that arm's connected to that arm, it seems. Right, and then the body stays going down here. We'll finish the legs before we have to deal with all that arm stuff. So up there, and then this strap. What is that? It's like a red, there's like a red thing here, and then the strap keeps going. Under there. Okay, and then we just have the legs. Let me just go down. of sections. Like so, I think. Just like that. Sorry, I messed up there. Right, so then 2 more pipes kind of coming out here, but I think we got to draw the red hand first because it's in front of everything. So we'll just bump this hand around. And it comes up to fingers. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. This comes down there, and then the thumb. There is little details on all this, but we'll just get the main parts in first. So we'll go for the strap on this side. And then like his shoulders here. And then this strap actually keeps going down here. And then we get the blue hand going this way. Kind of gets thinner. And again, it has like a circle sort of situation kind of there. And then another arm coming out here with like circles and stuff on the ends. Right, and then we have another hand, and we're looking at the thumb first on this side. So this is the thumb here. And then 4 fingers again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's like all the main shapes. Now, there's like little details on these pipes and on the fingers, so I'll add that now. You don't have to, of course, you can just go ahead and color. But say, for example, like here on this pipe, there's all circle lines. Like curved coming around just to show the shape of our pipe. And then even up here, there is more like circle lines on this as well. You know, like some stuff in here. Just kind of mechanical kind of shapes. Hand, and then like the fingers have something like this, so it goes right. And then I think there's another little red thing on the bottom. I'm not sure what it is, like a button or something. That's everything though. The player from Poppy Playtime. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.